Hello, welcome back again. So we want to continue. We want to complete our design. So we are hiring notification there. So we want to place our basic requirement. Then you can just come here, come to this professional. Then we go and unlock it. A professional graphic designer. So instead of writing another thing or picking another text, you can just click on it and copy it. Then go back and go and unlock it back. Then you can edit this one, a professional basic requirement. Let me just write basic requirement, basic requirement. So I'll change all to capital letter requirement. So colon. Let me change the font to mustard. Extra bold. Then after that, let me go back. Let me copy this. Then I will now change this one to extra bold. My font, heavy font, extra bold. The basic requirement. So I'll be writing the requirement. No. So you must know how to use Pixellab and just copy this. Copy, then paste it here. You must know how to use Canva. Then paste. You must know how to use Photoshop. Then another one. You must know how to use Illustrator. Another one. You must know how to use CorelDRAW. So I'll just paste it here. Then size. Then after that, I'll now change the color to black. Then after changing the color to black, then I will now give it a spacing, line spacing. I can give it a line spacing like this. So after giving it a spacing, then I can now add the shapes to it if I like. So let me just give it a dot. And just mark it and just give it a point. So this is our basic requirement for our design. Then after that, to apply, I can now write to apply. So let me increase this here and move it to the top. Move it to the top and increase it and increase its size. So after that, to apply, let me just copy 2 out of this also. Must be discipline. Must know how to use time. I'll just write it like that. So to apply, I'm just going to shift. I just bring it here, change my shape and place it here. Then I'll come to my radius to reduce its radius. Let me just place it as 10. So I can now come back to change the color of my shapes. So let me increase it a little bit. Then I'll mark it OK. Then I can now bring my basic requirement. Then I can now copy it and place it here. To apply, call or chat. Call or chat. Then call or chat. Then I can now reduce my size. I come here to reduce my size. Then place it here. To apply call or chat. Then position it a little bit. Then let me change the color to black. Call or chat. Then I can now bring the number, copy. Then let me change my number to just 091 23 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then 081 98765432. Call or chat. Then I change the font of this. My font to Nesa bold. Then let me just place my address. Copy and just write any address, my email or something like that. www.alkt.com. So I cannot paste it here also. Then I'll just get a simple logo here. I just create a simple logo. I'll change this to circle. Then bring it here. Then change the color. I'll come and pick here, and I'll change the color to, let me use this green color. Then after that, let me reduce it a little bit and place it here. Then I can now click on VR and just go to VR and look. Let me just copy it, then let me go and lock it back. Then I'll now change it to only A, capital letter A. So after changing it, I can now change its color to this golden color. Then I'll go and place it. Let me increase its size a little bit. I'll go and place it here. Or let me reduce its size. Let me use position to move it. That is the function of our position. So this is our shape. This is our logo. Then we can now increase this if you like. If you want to increase it more, then place it here. So this will be our assignment for today. So you can go and check it, and you can do it by yourself. Then you want to, I'll just place it here. So you have seen it. Then this will be our assignment. You can go and check it. Let me reduce its size a little bit, so it is getting bigger. So let me use my sticker here and change it. Then I can now change its color, then everything. So let me change it to white, color to white. So I can now write my vacant. Let me copy this, or this, copy. I can now bring my vacant. So I can now place it here. So I cannot save it. Save as we are hiring. Then you cannot save as image. Save to gallery. And that's that about our class. So I will see you tomorrow. Good night.